Here's what we're building today. A clean, multi-page settings dashboard. With tabs, dynamic sections, and even a dark mode switch. All in pure WinForms. And the best part? You can build this in under 15 minutes. With simple, clean C# code. Let's get started. Start by opening your WinForms project. Drag a tab control onto your form. Dock it to fill so it takes the full space. Now rename the tabs. This already gives us a clean structure. Each tab now acts like its own mini page. Inside the General tab, we'll build a simple user profile. Add a label that says your name. Add a text box called Text, Name. Add a button called Button, Save. And below that, add a label called Label, Preview. As your apps grow, one big problem appears. Too many controls on one form. Everything gets messy, hard to use. And honestly, not very professional. Real applications don't work like that. They split content into pages, sections, and clean layouts. And today, you'll learn exactly how to do that using TabControl and Panels. Now double-click the button and add this code. Run the app. Enter a name. Click Save. And you instantly get feedback plus a live preview. Nice and clean. Now let's build the most important part. The Settings dashboard. Inside the Settings tab, we'll create dynamic sections using panels. Add 2 buttons at the top. Button, Appearance button, Notifications. Now add 2 panels. Panel, Appearance panel, Notifications. Resize both panels to fill the area below the buttons. Now we make the panel switch dynamically. Double-click the Appearance button and add. And for notifications. Run the app. Click the buttons. And now you have dynamic page switching inside a tab. This is exactly how modern apps work. Now let's add something really satisfying. A theme switcher. Inside Panel Appearance, add a combo box called Combo Theme. Add 2 items. Light dark. Now handle the selected index changed event. Run this. Switch to dark. And boom. Your entire app transforms instantly. This is the moment people love. Now let's build the notifications panel. Add some items like email, SMS, push. Now add this code. Now users can select exactly how they want notifications. Simple, but powerful. For the About tab, keep it simple. Add your app name, version, and your branding. This gives your app a professional finish. Let's quickly recap what you built. A multi-page layout using TabControl. Dynamic UI with panels. A working theme switcher. A real settings dashboard. This is no longer just a demo. This is a real application structure. If you enjoyed this, drop a like, subscribe, and keep building. In the next video, we'll work with dialogues like open file and save file to make your apps even more powerful. See you in the next one.